Alright, mates. Today we're going to be teaching you how to play chess. Chess is a very classic game. It's very steeped in history, and it's great for your mind. However, we're not going to be teaching you the normal game of chess.
No, this is how it's supposed to be played. Don't even fucking lie.
Yep, we're teaching you how it should be played. U.S. Army style. Alright, you want to hit us with how to play chess?
So first of all, this is team insurgency, so they're not really good at fighting by default. Here, these guys, they're infantry. They do all the work.
You talk about these fellas up here.
Yeah, these are some losers. They're your officers. They're gonna sit back here.
Yeah.
They're about to drink some
Just
fucking
like all
coffee.
officers do.
You got your core. You got your core
Let me
engineers.
see that piece there.
They're here to
Got the
build.
engineers.
They're gonna build things. This is Cav. They're gay. They're sucking each other off in the corner.
Put them together.
You got your MI. They're also kind of gay. They're fucking nerds. They're over here with the officers, also drinking coffee and being useless. So
what's the strategy?
So your infantry dudes are gonna pop up here in a wedge.
You gotta put them in a wedge.
Lead from the fucking front, right? Because that's what infantry does. Kill everyone. And then you have your core engineers, because they're gonna do some bullshit like going ahead and fucking build some shit so that the infantry guys can kill better. But they get killed anyway because they're trash. But they kill the dude in the way. He's an MI pussy anyway. But
Oh, don't forget about the Cav guys back here.
So the Cav guys are kissing, sucking each other off. Your infantry guys come up. They're like bang bang. They fucking kill these dudes, right? Fuck them dead. All of them dead, right? You got some casualties.
You gotta go through. Hit them with Battle Drill 1 Alpha. Hit them to the flank.
Infantry's pushing up. You have your Cavs still sucking each other off. They're like, oh god, there's people shooting at us, but they're like, oh, but sticks in my mouth, so they're dead because they were too busy sucking each other off. They're engineers. They're building IEDs, but their IEDs are fucking lame, so they got shot in the dome. Their last infantry guy's dead. The MI guy's like, dude, but what about the fucking coffee? And the infantry guys are like, nah, you're dead. And the officers over here like, but they're not really officers. I guess they're like warlords, right? But they're like over here probably sucking each other off and they're fucking goats. These guys come in, they shoot him in the dome. Private comes back, he's like, dude, what the fuck? He's like, we didn't even get enough ammo for this mission. What are you guys doing? And the officer's like, dude, well, but all the money was for my coffee. And then they're like, you're getting Article 15 for disrespect and shit. And he walks away really sad, even though he did all the work and the officers just sat back and sucked each other off and drank coffee along with the MI guys. That's how you play chess. The Cav guys are still here sucking each other off because, you know, that's what Cav does.
So at the end of the day, you're telling me that the pawns, the infantry, the grunts are the most important players.
Yeah, also they can see straight through the fog of war, dude.
Hell yeah, Bruiser. Fog of war.
Yeah, the fog of war, they see straight through it. They don't need it. It's like Rise or like Civilization or something. They see straight through that.
Alright, mates, and that's how you play chess.